Stop scrolling. You've been hijacked, not by drugs, not by alcohol, but by your own brain. You're not lazy. You're addicted to pleasure. Every time you open your phone, your brain gets a tiny hit of dopamine. Likes, notifications, short videos, all designed to keep you chasing that next hit. You're not in control anymore. Algorithms are. You wake up tired, not because your body's weak, but because your mind has been overstimulated. You can't focus, you can't think, you can't dream, because you've been feeding your brain junk food every day. Dopamine detox isn't about quitting life. It's about taking your power back. One day no phone. One day no distractions. Just you, your thoughts, and the silence you've been running from. At first, it feels empty, boring. But then, something crazy happens. Your brain starts to heal. The things that once bored you start to feel meaningful again. You feel calm, focused, alive. You don't need more dopamine. You need control. So stop letting a screen own your mind. Do the detox. Face the silence. And remember, the most dangerous addiction of all is comfort. Want to improve your life? Hit that follow button.